As of December 11, 2024, the Tesla Pi phone remains a topic of speculation and rumor. Despite numerous concept designs and discussions online, Tesla has not officially confirmed the development or release of such a device. Let's explore the speculative features and debunk the myths surrounding the Tesla Pi phone. Imagine a phone with light-based charging, allowing it to charge using any light source, eliminating the need for traditional charging methods. Positioned as the most energy-efficient phone on the market, it could set new standards in smartphone energy consumption. Integration with SpaceX's Starlink satellite internet service would provide high-speed internet access anywhere on Earth. Seamless connectivity with Tesla cars, Powerwall, and solar panels would create a unified user experience. With features like solar charging and the use of eco-friendly materials, it aligns with Tesla's commitment to sustainability. Advanced AI technology would power personalized user experiences and intelligent assistants. Rumored specifications include a 4K display, AI cameras, robust security features, and a large battery capacity of 5,000 mAh. However, several sources have debunked the existence of the Tesla Pi phone. Tesla has not confirmed the development of a smartphone, and Elon Musk has publicly denied its existence. Claims about a December 2024 launch have been debunked, with no official release date announced. So, is the Tesla Pi phone fact or fiction? While the concept is exciting, remember that these features are speculative and not confirmed by Tesla. Stay tuned for more tech updates, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, AK Mobile Palace.